Good evening everyone, welcome to Indian Defense Encyclopedia. My name is Mohit, I am a certified fitness professional, have an experience of more than 5 years in training individuals. So, Indian Defense Encyclopedia was receiving many requests from the individuals to design a home-based workout plan. Like because of the lockdown, people are not able to go out from their homes, right? So I have designed a home-based workout plan for you, which is a power workout in which you can burn more than 500 calories in just 30 minutes. Does not require any equipments, will improve your strength also, endurance also at the same time. So let's begin the workout. So the format we are going to use today is 30 seconds work, 15 seconds off, 5 exercises. We'll do 4 to 5 rounds of it. Alright, so workout has 3 modules. We'll start with warm up, then main workout, then stretching. So let's start the warm up now. Warm up is very important to raise the body temperature, will make you ready for the main workout. Also, it prevents you from getting injured. Alright, so the first warm up exercise is jumping jacks. Stand straight, jump out, jump in. We'll do this for 20 seconds. Do it with moderate intensity. Alright, switch to high knees. So you have to jump at the spot, bring your knees as high as possible. Moderate intensity. Done. Next mobility exercise is world's greatest stretch. So we'll start with high plank position. Your body would be in this straight line, palm under your shoulder. Bring your right foot forward outside the right palm. Touch your elbow on the floor. Stretch it all the way up. Down, up. Do this for 15 seconds. After 15 seconds, switch to other side. Done. Next mobility exercise is cat camel. So your knee would be under your hip, your palm would be under your shoulder. You have to make a curve in your back. Tuck your shoulder in. Try to touch your chin to the chest. Arch, make an arch in your back. Look up. Do this for 15 seconds. Done. Now we'll start the main workout. The first movement we have is jump squats. You have to stand straight. Your stance would be shoulder width apart, toes pointing slightly outwards. Now by maintaining the neutral spine, you have to squat down. The movement will start from hip. Jump up, squat down, jump up. We'll do this movement for 30 seconds. Let's start. Done. So the movement will start from plank position. Your elbow would be just below your shoulder. Body would be in the straight line. You have to straighten up your arms. Come in the high plank position. Go down. Up, down. We'll do this movement for 30 seconds. Let's start. Done. The next movement is burpees. Deadly burpees. To start the burpees, put your hands down on the floor, jump back, jump forward, stand straight, jump. Down, jump back, forward, jump. Alright, we'll do this movement for 30 seconds. Let's start. Done. Rest for 15 seconds. Next movement, hand release push-ups. So, movement will start from high plank position. Your palm would be slightly wider than your shoulder, body in the straight line. Go down, release your hands, push your body up. Down, release your hand, push your body up. We'll do this movement for 30 seconds. Let's start. Done. Last exercise, my favorite, mountain climber. So, high plank position, touch your right knee in, switch it to the left knee in. Right knee in, left knee in. Now speed up the movement. Let's start the movement for 30 seconds. Oh, done. Oh, let's do some stretches now. First stretch is pigeon stretch. We'll start with high plank position. Bring your right shin forward, bend forward, move forward with your fingers. Hold this position for 30 seconds. Next stretch. Sit down in the Vajrasana. Cross your fingers over your head. Stretch your body up. Feel the stretch in your shoulders. Hold there for 30 seconds. Next stretch is for your triceps. Left hand up. Bend, pull it towards your body with the right hand. Feel the stretch in your triceps. Hold for 30 seconds. Then switch to other hand. Next stretch is the standing quadricep stretch. Grab your right foot with the right hand. Your knee would be slightly behind your hip. Hold this position for 30 seconds. For the balance, you can also take the help of wall. Last stretch is the deep squat adductor stretch. You have to sit down in the deep squat position. Push your knees out with your elbows. Chest up. Hold the position for 30 seconds. At least. And we are done. So guys, I hope you have enjoyed the video. It's a great workout to build good strength in your body. Plus, it will also help you in burning that fat that you always wanted to burn. So do this workout and let me know about your experiences after the workout in the comment box. Also, for a good transformation, good exercise and good diet also plays a major role. So if you're looking for a good diet and workout plan, you can text me on my Instagram account @fitness_Mohit. And guys, do not forget to follow, share and subscribe our channel Indian Defense Encyclopedia. We will keep on coming with many more helpful videos for you all. If you have any query, you can also put your query in the comment box.